Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do color swap in CapCut video. So for this edit, you need to have a video with bright background like this. And here I've already imported a sound and audio to this edit also, and I'm going to match cut the audio so that later the color swap will align with the beat. So I'm going to auto generate and I'm going to just choose the beat one. And next, if you use the beat one, what you need to do next is split the video according to based on the match cut. So here I'm going to split the audio align with the yellow dots at the bottom. Okay, like this. Oops. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, so I've already split it like so, and then next what you need to do is click on the clips. So I'm going to go to the second clips and then go to adjust, and here go to HSL, and here is what you can do for the color swap. So I'm going to choose the orange color and I'm going to play with the hue and also the saturations. So it'll go like this, and then go to the next clip and go to adjust again. So you can just play along the HSL and adjust it into your liking so that it will change the color like so. So I'm going to get back to you after I edit all of the clips. Okay, so I've already done the color swap by adjusting the HSL, and this is what the video will look like. So you can see it now changing. The color is changing now. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you think that the video is helpful, please don't forget to click thanks below. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.